Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm going to show you how to search for clips by standards. Super simple. Click Browse, Clips by Standards, and from here you'll see all the standards that we currently align with. Common Core, Next Gen, Indiana State Standards are just a few. Let's say we want to see Common Core standards. Click Select, and this will bring up all the clips that are currently aligned to Common Core standards. Let's say I'm a middle school teacher. I want to find clips that are aligned to 7th grade topics. So go ahead and click on the number 7, and you'll see things like the subject standard, the description of the standard, as well as the clips that showcase that concept. So if we go and click, let's say, this numbers clip, here's the other way you'll be able to find what types of standards a clip is aligned to. So here's the clip. Let's go over to standards. So you'll see that this clip is associated with the following standards. If you scroll down, you can see the exact standard, so that these 3 are Common Core and this one is an Indiana State Standard. And if you also notice that, hey, this also aligns to another standard I can think of, you could do a quick search and add it to here and update the list. This is a quick tour of how you're able to search for clips by standards on ClassHook.